In this video, I'm about to show you how to add a Notion widget to desktop Windows. So before we begin, you can simply head over to the description of this video to access extended benefits and rewards on Notion. So make sure to sign in using that particular link. Now, adding widgets is super easy. The very first thing that I am going to be suggesting is simply head over to your Microsoft Store or whatsoever Notion official website. You can head over to there as well. So open a browser of your choice and search in here for download Notion, just like that. Once you search in here, you can see Notion for desktop and app. So if you want to get a widget, you need to download this application, or like me, if you're using an online version, you can simply head over to your these three dots on the top right side and then head over to more tools, and you can see if we simply scroll a bit down, we have this option of pin to taskbar or pin to start. But the thing that I'm most interested in is, you can see we have this app section. You can install this site as an app, you can use this as well, and from there you will be able to add your widgets. So once you have your application, widgets are super easy to add. So that's how you access it. So make sure to head over to the link in the description to access Notion, and thank you so much for watching.